Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove hard inquiries from your credit report for free. It's very easy and doable if you do it the right way. This is the same method credit repair companies use, so you can stop paying hundreds of dollars for someone else to do it. Just follow these steps yourself, and you can do it too. Let's understand. What is a hard inquiry on your credit? When a lender requests to review your credit reports after you've applied for credit, it results in a hard inquiry. What does a hard inquiry mean for your credit scores? And how long does a hard inquiry remain on your credit report? When a lender or company requests to review your credit reports after you've applied for credit, it results in a hard inquiry. Hard inquiries usually impact credit scores. It lowers your credit score in most of the scenarios. Multiple hard inquiries within a certain time period for a home or auto loan are generally counted as one inquiry. So now you understand what hard inquiry is and how it works. Let's move on. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video so you never miss out on our latest videos. First of all, let's break down the two types of inquiries on your report and how they impact your score. The first type is hard inquiries, which lower your credit score. These occur when a lender or credit card issuer checks your credit to make a lending decision, and they must be authorized by you. Common examples include mortgage or refinancing a mortgage, auto loan, credit card, and apartment rental applications, store credit cards like Macy's and all. In other words, whenever you apply for a loan or credit, it shows up as a hard inquiry on your report. The second type is soft inquiries. These do not affect your credit score and happen when a person or company checks your credit for purposes like background checks or when you check your own score. Common soft inquiries include checking your credit online, pre-approved credit card offers, or employment verification. Both types of inquiries remain on your credit report for up to 24 months, but hard inquiries only affect your score for the first 12 months. So soft inquiries, you can think of it as light inquires, which are merely for awareness purposes that don't do harm to your credit score. To get hard inquiries removed, the first step is to obtain a copy of your credit report. I've listed several resources below to help you get a tri-merge report that includes Equifax, Experian, and Transunion. Each bureau works independently, so they may have different information. It's important to check all three. Once you have the credit report from each or any of the three bureaus, scroll down to the section where they are listing hard inquiries and highlight the ones you want to remove across all three bureaus. Make sure you acknowledge, remember, or have an idea about what they are. Start with the oldest inquiries, as newer ones are often harder to remove because creditors may have more recent information. It's essential and strategic not to dispute inquiries linked to active accounts. For example, if you applied for a Bank of America Visa card and opened an account, removing that inquiry could potentially remove the account itself, which may lower your score. After identifying the inquiries you want to remove, you'll need to freeze third-party data providers. This can help prevent the credit bureaus from accessing certain information, improving your chances of success. The companies to freeze include LexisNexis, Innovis, and SageStream. Instructions for freezing these accounts are listed below. You'll usually receive a letter in the mail confirming the freeze, along with a PIN to unfreeze the account. I have a video on my channel as well as how you can freeze your credit. It's easy, free, and not time-consuming at all. It also protects you from fraudulent activities, so you can watch that video and freeze your credit yourself. With the third party's credit frozen for yourself, you have two options to get hard inquiries removed quickly. The first one is to call the credit bureaus directly. You can Google their latest account number. I have listed their website below. Check their Contact Us page, call them and follow up. Use the automated system and say, "Remove hard inquiries," until you get connected with a representative. Make sure to be ready with the creditor's name, the inquiry date, and a legitimate reason for removal, such as unauthorized inquiry or multiple inquiries for the same application. If calling doesn't work, the second option is to send a letter to the creditor. In the letter, include the creditor's name, inquiry date, a copy of your ID, social security number, and proof of address. Send it via certified mail so you can track receipt. Make sure you precisely ask them to remove the hard inquiry exactly shown in your report. However, I would suggest calling them, and talking to the representative is the most efficient way. After sending the letters, or calling them. Wait 30 days for the results. You can ask for confirmation from the representative if you were able to reach them. How long could this take? If there are still hard inquiries on your report after this, repeat the process. Call the bureaus and resend letters. For more detailed guidance on handling derogatory accounts like collections or charge-offs, check out my DIY credit repair video, which steps and instructions you need. You can find the link in the notes below. If you're new to credit repair, have more questions, write down in the comments section below. I will try my best to provide you with more details. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on financial news and stimulus checks. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask in the comments section below. I appreciate you stopping by here. Thanks for tuning in, and take care.